Hey up, now then, good to see you all. So I'm here, another week, another video. I'm in Yorkshire. Specifically, I'm at a place called Percy, which is an abandoned medieval village. I've seen the little brown tourist signs pointing to it and saying that, and it just sounds intriguing. I've never visited, I've done no research, so who knows what we're going to make of the place. But it certainly sounds, well, abandoned medieval village. It's got to be worth an explore. So I'm not on my own this time. I've got someone joining me again. I've got John, the Sherbinator, who's with me, and yeah, we'll see what we can make at the place. So come and join us on this little explore. Well, the main draw in the village, well, it's got to be the church. It's the only real still standing structure, and I just love this tower. Look how it's all like collapsed away there on that side. I don't know if that's an ancient lightning strike or just the decay over the years. It's just, yeah, this in the right conditions. We've just got flat white skies. You know, if I darken the aperture down, you know, I get a bit of texture in those clouds. But yeah, imagine this with some mist and some mood. Quite a spooky place to be, if I'm being honest. Yeah, yeah, I might not be happy about being on my own here. But yeah, it's lovely. There's a lot of people milling about though. It's quite popular. I'm surprised. But yeah, so I'm going to set on my camera and get some shots here. I'm going to use these gravestones and maybe use them as some leading lines and just a little bit of foreground interest. And, you know, we'll rattle a shot off of this. And if they're any good, the usual drill. Here they come. Well, I'm inside now, and remember I said there were a few people milling about. Well, I'm about to get descended on by a horde. I think a coach might have arrived, so I'm going to have to be quick. I'm not right comfortable vlogging when there's a load of people about, and obviously I'm going to struggle to get shots if it's got 100 people walking around inside the church. So yeah, very quickly get some shots in here, and then I think we'll be moving on. Right, so I think we've done for the day. Well, certainly for this location. Yeah, there wasn't as much as I'd hoped to be able to see. And the church is stunning, don't get me wrong, but once there's a coach party walking all over it, it limits your options. So we'll chalk that one up to experience and come back on another day with maybe some better conditions. So it's certainly a nice little place to visit. So as always, please like and subscribe, click that bell button to get notifications, and thanks for watching. Until next time. I'll see you.